Development Cell of SRIT is organizing this workshop on pedagogy with ICT tools for effective teaching and learning. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize all the faculty with the new innovative technologies, engaging in the classroom and student-centered learning pedagogy. So, in this regard, I request Principal Sir to talk on this.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Today's guest and speaker, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, Professor of IT and Head of Research Lab, Blue Crest University, Liberia, Dean of Academics, Professor V. Shankar sir, Head of various departments, and my dear faculty members, a very good morning to one and all. At the outset, I welcome all of you for this workshop titled Pedagogy with ICT Tools for Effective Teaching and Learning. It is actually the need of the hour for all the faculty members, because you all know that majority times most of the students in the classrooms are not actively participating in learning process especially, even though the teacher is teaching the class to greatest extent effectively. The students are not in a position to grasp that one, and because of several reasons it may be. So in order to make the students attentive in learning process, we have to follow different pedagogy methods, especially with ICT tools, so that the student can actively participate in the learning process. As a part of that one, this workshop has been organized in order to make all the faculty members familiar with the different pedagogy methods that can be implemented in the classroom, so that the students can learn the concepts very effectively and seriously participate in the active learning process. And I take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of Computer Science Department, especially the e-content development cell, Dr. Shashikala madam. And I also sincerely thank the today's resource person, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu sir, for his acceptance to deliver this workshop. And I sincerely request all the faculty members to be active in, to be interactive with the resource person, so that we can get more out of this workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. So now I welcome today's speaker, Srinivasulu sir. Before I hand over the session to the sir, I present the brief profile of the sir, profile of Srinivasulu sir. Professor Asadi Srinivasulu sir, currently working as professor in IT and head research, data science research lab, Blue Crest University, Liberia. He has 19 years of teaching experience, and he written more than 9 books and book chapters in various areas, and he carried out many DST projects in his career, and he got 11 awards for his excellent work in various areas. And he also published more than 60 research papers in various international and national journals, and he also delivered more than 45 lectures in various FDFs as a resource person. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting our. This is the brief profile of Srinivas sir. Thank you, sir, for accepting our request, and we welcome you for this workshop, sir. Now I hand over the session to the Srinivasulu sir, and I request all the faculty to utilize this opportunity to learn more from this workshop. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Yeah. Madam, unmute.
You are audible, sir. No problem.
Sir, it is audible, sir. Your voice is audible to us, sir.
Yes, madam. 1 second. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam, for a nice introduction. Today, I would like to explain pedagogy with ICT tools for effective teaching and learning. A warm welcome to international workshop. First of all, what is meant by pedagogy and why we are using ICT tools? And pedagogy is nothing but we are using any instructional design. Maybe we have addicted for blackboard teaching in olden days. Now slowly we are converting into, by utilizing ICT tools like projector, LCD projector, we are using screens and head projectors, and many tools like Canvas, Moodle Cloud, various modernization technologies we are using in order to make effective teaching and learning. Then what is meant by ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. It is an extension of information technology. It refers to the technologies and that provide access to information through telecommunications. That is called ICT tools. There are various ICT tools today I am going to handle, and I'm going to demonstrate Canvas and Moodle Cloud through practical session. And before going to our topic, now we are living in this digital era. So I would like to present the 7 R's of 21st century higher education. What are 7 R's? If you see 21st century software, we are using 7R concept like recruitment, retention, revenue generation, research, risk mitigation, return on investment, reinvention. See, fourth place, research is playing vital role in order to utilize modern 21st century ICT tools in order to make effective teaching and learning process in a higher education, especially engineering and medicine, some other professional organizations. So before going to our topic, see, we are utilizing various ICT tools in order to make effective teaching and learning and recording all those lectures, webinars, symposiums, conference, etc. Where this data will go and how the data is storing and how many servers are required, you may get doubt. See, within 60 seconds, we are living in this digital era, terabytes of world right now. So how many users are connected to internet world? So internet is nothing but network of networks. Network is the interconnection between the systems. So maybe local area network, wide area network, and metropolitan area network. So internet is developed by Bold Bernard Newman. So now how many users are connected to in this internet world? This is a small diagram. If you see 6,94,444 hours watched in Netflix, 3.8 million search queries, 1 million login in the Facebook, and 4.5 million videos viewed in the YouTube, like that. I'll show you practical so that you can get more idea about where the data is going, how the data we are storing, and what is the representation mechanism, and all I am going to show you practicals. See here, if you click internet live statistics, see here, number is, now how many users are connected to this internet world? Now see here, internet users in this world, you cannot read such a huge number. Emails sent today, see here, tweets sent today, number is drastically changing here. That means how many servers are required to store huge volume of data. That's why nowadays we are going towards cloud computing. Cloud computing is nothing but internet-based technology. The backbone of cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but collection of 5 integrated servers at one place is called data center. And virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, Virtualiron. See, now my intention is to explain here that we are living in this digital era. Okay, so where the data is coming from? How do we access the data? And what is the way of representing, storing huge volume of data with the help of cloud computing data centers Amazon is the first movers towards cloud computing. So now we are using ICT tools in order to record all the videos. That videos are going to store in the data center. That is the my intention to explain internetlivestats.com. These are the right now how many users are connected to this internet world, the total number of websites opened, all that information. So same information I kept in the PowerPoint presentation, the number is changing continuously. So once again, welcome to today's international workshop. So I'm going to handle, these are the topics today. What is pedagogy? Pedagogy method of teaching, components of pedagogy, 4 principles of pedagogy, pedagogy in ICT tools in teaching and learning, types of ICT tools and pedagogy tools, importance of ICT in pedagogy, and ICT promote effective teaching and learning, pedagogy integration of ICT tools, ICT pedagogy integration with integration skills, and ICT tools used in teaching and learning, and Canvas and Moodle Cloud. These are the best example for modern ICT tools, especially we are using in higher education. So just now I have explained how do we measure data in systems by using ICT tools. If you press capital A in a system cannot understand capital A because internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you will get the number 10001. That is a binary equivalent of capital A 65. That means, okay, so a computer cannot understand directly high level language like English. Internally it converts ASCII format. That means computer understands only binary language. Keep in mind ones and zeros. So 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. How do we measure huge volume of data? This is very important in order to know jargon of IT, especially for ICT tools whenever we are using. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. After that, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes. So zettabyte term came into the picture when the Robo movie came. It got popularization. Hi, I'm Robo. My memory is 1 terabytes and my processing power is 1 zettabyte. Like that, thanks to director Shankar and Rajani sir, they have introduced a wonderful jargon of IT. Yesterday night I have searched in the Google. There are 2 more terminologies presented. Those are 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. After that, geobytes infinity. So if you take same measurement in normal range and big data range in mathematical terminology, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. See, this is the way we are measuring huge volume of data. Now see what is meant by pedagogy. Pedagogy is nothing but instructional design. The way you are using ICT tools in order to make a class effective teaching, learning, especially in higher education. It is defined as the art of teaching. So it involves being able to convey knowledge and skills in ways that students can understand very easily and they can remember very easily and they can apply wherever it requires practical scenario. So pedagogical skills can generally be divided into classroom management skills and content related based skills. So keep in mind, pedagogy is nothing but instructional design. So it is a profession, it is a passion or art of teaching. It creates awareness of knowledge to its students, and it is an effective engagement with students, develops the students' behavior, attitude. Learning process is very easy to understand the concept, and participatory projects, participatory learning. So what way you can define your own style? So pedagogy starts with preparing content and with using modernization tools, then how content is presented or delivered to the learner by using ICT tools, maybe LED projector, LCD projector, blackboard, or various visualization technologies. Then connects with assets that are needed at present content, how effectively you are going to show your content to the students with the help of visualization of graphs, scorecards, dashboards, charts, pie charts, etc. Then pull together these assets to create cognitive psychology based learning process, and finally evaluation of the learning process, whether it is working correctly or not. So this engaged by using ICT tools, the students may be attentive, the student may be a persistent, the students may be connected to, and students may be a committed. So what is pedagogy in ICT? So how you are integrating with information communication technology? So information communication technology is an extension of information technology. Information means processed data is called information. Technology means application of science. And it is an extension, ICT is an extension of information technology that refers to the various technologies that provide access to the information through communication channels like telephones or any devices or telecommunications. The effective integration of ICT alongside the curriculum is associated with a new pedagogy. New pedagogy is nothing but new instructional design which changes the role of the teachers and it increases the students' control of their learning, self-regulation, and their attitude, behavior, and collaboration. So effective ICT integration, if you see, it can encourage with the teacher-student management. It can enforce effective ICT integration. It can enforce teacher-student management. And again, it enhance or increase skills towards teacher-student management. And what are the pedagogy tools are available? If you see the traditional tools like Blackboard, so apart from Blackboard, what are the traditional pedagogy tools like textbooks, handouts, microscopes, worksheets, hand-on models, and in olden days we used to have a blackboard. After that, projectors, and you can use handouts and microscopes, worksheets, and charts, and hand-on models. Now, this pedagogical tool is anything that a person uses to learn or teach. Some pedagogical tools such as textbooks are considered as a traditional pedagogical tools. But as the needs of students and teachers change, less traditional items are being pedagogical aids. In the present day, due to technological advancement, We are using various ICT tools like computer, laptop, websites, mobile app devices, could be online pedagogical tools. See the examples of pedagogy with ICT tools: alternating your tone of voice, asking student questions to find out their prior knowledge, rewards for effort, changing up the classroom layout, setting high expectations, differentiation, and spaced repetition. These are the few pedagogical skills. If you see in 21st century pedagogy, how it look like, what are the tools and techniques we are using in order to make effective teaching and learning. See the enabling technologies by using ICT tools, incorporating suitable technologies and collaboration. Then see the teaching using project-based learning. Yes, so more practicals. After completion of the literature survey, you are going to start with practicals. That is called project-based learning. Incorporating suitable technologies. Maybe we are using visualization tools like Excel and statistical tools like SPSS or Tableau. Various tools are there. Then collaboration, then developing problem solving techniques with interdisciplinary approach, because nowadays we are integrating with various technologies like cloud computing, big data, data science, artificial intelligence, mathematical techniques, statistical algorithms like linear regression, non-linear regression, logistic regression, in order to solve real world problems. Then encouraging inflection with self review, peer review, in order to get the feedback, in order to make effective teaching and learning process. Then developing in this 21st century pedagogy, so interdisciplinary approach and as well as multidisciplinary approach we are using in order to solve real world problems with peer review. Then assessing student with clear, transparent goals and objectives, self and peer assessment, relevant task, timely and appropriate feedback we are collecting from the students and make them a pleasant environment in the classroom environment by using effective ICT tools in order to make effective teaching and learning. Enhancing collaboration with effective communication with the suitable technologies. This is about 21st century pedagogy. If you see what is pedagogy in research, what is meant by research? Research is defined as search for new knowledge. It is a movement from known to unknown and vice versa. So, research. So, how you are integrating with the pedagogy? Pedagogic research can be defined as research that enhances the theoretical and conceptual understanding of teaching and learning process, experience, outcomes, and context in higher education. So, pedagogic research is enhances understanding of learning and teaching practices and processes. There are the 5 types of pedagogy. These are the 5 types, like 5 major approaches. You can call it as constructivist and collaborative, integrative, reflective, and inquiry based learning. That is called 2C, 2I, IR. If you see these 5 approaches, we are using in order to make effective teaching and learning process in order to get outcome based education. Means after completion of graduation, immediately they are getting employment in various MNCs. That is called outcome based education. Nowadays AICTE, UGC, they are giving more concentration towards implementation of outcome based education, even in NBA also. So if you see constructivist, what is the meaning of in this pedagogy approaches? The students are allowed to be active in the process of understanding and gaining knowledge. See, if you are continuously explaining theory, nobody can listen properly. If you involve them to do practicals, to do participatory thing, definitely they are understanding concept and gaining knowledge. Whereas in next approach is collaborative. The students form groups of learners that learn together and work to solve a problem, build strategies, ideas, create products, or complete a task. Why do we want to do collaborative research or collaborative work among the students? If you make them a groups, they will get competition between groups and they will involve in the participatory in order to make effective presentation. That's why we are going for this pedagogy approach is called collaborative. Try to implement this collaborative activity in the classroom environment. Then third approach is integrative. The students are given a learning environment that helps them in connecting with their learning across the syllabus. Suppose you are explaining computer networks. So in the computer networks, there are 7 layers are there. PDN, TSPA, physical layer, data link layer, network layer. I'm giving short form, PDN, TSPA. The final one is application layer. So once you are giving a brief introduction and enough knowledge to understand the layers, then immediately you give a task to the students, prepare a beautiful chart related to physical layer. One group, you can divide students into groups and make them in participatory learning so that they can explain their own style of understanding OSI layer in computer networks. I'm giving one example. So you in the class you can make it 7 groups, each group 1 layer. So one student has taken physical layer, one more group student taken data link layer, like 7 layers, 7 groups. Make them competition. Who will best utilization of flowchart colors, utilization of chart, and make them presentation and give the marks and select the best group. That is called integrative learning with collaboration. Reflective, next approach is reflective. The students are expected to observe the activities of the teachers and other students in the classroom and analyze why they do it and how it works. So you are giving a task to the students, then you can see the reflective knowledge from the students after completion of their participatory working any project. The last approach is inquiry based learning. The educators are expected to not just answer the queries of the students, but also build a culture where their ideas are exposed, challenged, improved, and refined. That's why all MNCs are testing on communication skills, technical skills, and they are conducting some group activities and they are conducting HR interview because of students able to do their own ideas are explored. It must be a challenge, it must be improved and redefined, refined. So that is called inquiry based learning. These are the 5 pedagogy approaches that is called 2C, 2I, 1R. So constructivist, collaborative 2C, integrative and inquiry based learning is called 2I and 1R is nothing but reflective. If you see ICT literacy basically involves using digital technology, communication tools and access, manage, integrate, evaluate and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. Why do I want to use these ICT tools in pedagogy? In order to increase effective teaching and learning process. If you see the 5 stages of embedding ICT, starts with the familiarization of the concept, then utilization of the concept, integration with the multidisciplinary subject, and reorientation of another concepts, and finally evolution of any big ideas, big implementation. If you see changing role of teacher in 21st century, and I'm acknowledging NPTEL, Swayam, IIT Madras, Khan Academy, and YouTube. They have given the changing role of teacher in 21st century. See the relationship between learner, teacher, and content mutually. See, if you see the traditional teaching versus blended teaching, traditional teaching, preparing lectures, delivering lectures, assignments, homeworks, various worksheets, that is called a traditional teaching. If you see the blended teaching, it acts as a facilitator, prepare a videos, prepare a slides, practice problems, participatory learning, and implementation of projects, and discussion of forums, etc. That is called blended teaching. Transformation needed for teachers from information provider to learning facilitators. This is a changing role of teacher in 21st century. Especially all faculties inculcated their habituation, how effectively we are using ICT tools. If you see, now I am in West Africa, some other continent, how effectively I am using Google Meet, Zoom. There are various ICT tools in order to communicate with you. So that is a big change, role of teacher in 21st century. ICT in teaching and learning. If you see information and the communication, what is meant by ICT? It is an extension of information technology that refers to the variety of technologies and integration with the telecommunications such as computers and as well as necessary enterprise software. Software is a collection of programs. Program is a collection of instructions. Instruction is nothing but set of rules. Then middleware. Middleware is nothing but the way you are using the software connection between front end to back end. If you connect with one language to back end database language, and storage and audio visuals that enables users to access the data and store the information and transit, understand and manipulate information. That is called ICT. Then creating the data with the help of various ICT tools. Then interacting with the data with the help of various ICT tools. Sharing the data with the help of again ICT tools. Then finally, copyrights and ethical issues also maintaining with the help of ICT tools in order to make effective e-learning content and make them students in participatory learning. Then if you see the components of ICT, what are the components of ICT? First one is software, then second one is hardware, human resources, database and data warehouse. Why do we want to use database and data warehouse? In order to store huge volume of data in a system, server or data center. Then cloud computing. Nowadays, all the companies are moving towards cloud computing because huge volume of data you can store in the servers. Collection of high integrated servers is called a data center. I have explained already. Cloud computing is an internet-based technology. Without internet, you cannot perform any kind of service-based application. Then telecommunications. These are the 5 important major components of information and communication technologies. What are the models of ICT? There are 3 models usually we are using in order to develop a model of access of ICT information with help of literacy and devices and conduits. These are the 3 models we are using in order to make effective teaching learning process. What are the functions of ICT? If you see the various functions are involved in this ICT, if you see the e-learning, that is called digital education. So e-learning concept, nowadays we are reading all PDFs, PowerPoint presentation, lecture slides, and various visualization audios and visualization videos, everything that is called e-learning. And e-meetings, now I'm using the Google Meet is a e-meeting, Zoom, okay, various e-meetings I'm using. That is also one of the function of ICT through virtual. And good governance, technological advancements, then strengthening human rights and agricultural and medicinal development and enhancements, supply chain development and strengthen, and instant communication and feedback. See how instantly I'm communicating with you through WhatsApp, through Twitter, through Facebook, through various ICT tools I'm using in order to make effective teaching and learning and participatory activities. Human life becoming very easy with help of this ICT. If you see the 21st century pedagogy, first, 21st century pedagogy is nothing but instructional design. It builds technological and information and media fluencies. Then that pedagogy teaches contextually. That 21st century pedagogy are interdisciplinary. See, all even civil, mechanical, electrical faculty and students, they are able to use all modernization technologies, modernization ICT tools without any problem. That's why they are entering into interdisciplinary subjects. Then 21st century pedagogy work with collaboratively, yes. So through various ICT tools we are using in order to collaborative research work. Then 21st century pedagogy use project-based learning. First, they are doing literature survey. Then they are collecting requirements of software and hardware. Then they are going to start practical implementation. That is called project-based learning. So there are 5 steps involved in this project-based learning. They are making abstract, introduction, literature survey, implementation, getting the results, finally deploying the product. Problem solving. See, 21st century pedagogy gives us foster problem solving skills easily. They are we as a faculty we are injecting easily to the students. Then assessed with transparently. So you are conducting various exams in online with high security authentication exams you are conducting, so that you are doing transparently assessing. Then thinking skill, you are see pedagogy, this 21st century pedagogy develops thinking skills. How effectively I can use a computer to write online exams. Then see that the primary purpose of educational research is to expand the existing body of knowledge by providing solutions to different problems in pedagogy while improving teaching and learning process in order to get outcome-based education. In order to get a high employability in the engineering colleges especially. So educational researchers also seek answers to questions bordering on learner motivation, development, and classroom management. So research can be used to inform the design and structure of teacher education programs. So the teacher and teacher educators can be equipped to engage with and be discerning consumers of research. We are utilizing various tools of ICT. The relationship between these 3 things, can you expect in the question mark what it would be? My dear faculty, my dear participants, can anyone answer in the chat box What should be a question mark? See, I'm explaining continuously one-way direction, one-way communication. See, communication must be a client server or server client communication technology. Can anyone give answer in the chat box?
Sir, Suman, sir. This is Suman from CSC department.
Yeah. Please,
Teaching,
Suman, what is the
teaching,
answer?
teaching, sir.
Teaching. Okay, very good attempt. So, give a big round of applause to Suman. He has given wonderful answer. So, the relationship between pedagogy, innovation, research. Now, I would like to remind pedagogy is nothing but instructional design through various ICT tools in order to make effective teaching learning process. Then innovation, you are making them and making innovative products, innovative ideas, innovative thinking. Then research is nothing but search for new knowledge. It is a movement from known to unknown, unknown to known. So the question mark indicates education. Education is a intersection between three jargon of ICT tools like pedagogy, research and innovation. This is the chart. This is the relationship between pedagogy, research, innovation in order to integrate with the education part. So, what is the role of research in improving the quality of education? Yes. So, all the industries are concentrating how effectively I can communicate with the others. In this pandemic, all the MNCs are save their money, no need to go to their offices, no need to pay rent, other amenities and expenditure towards employees. They are saving too much money. So they learn and implemented in this pandemic situation how effectively I can communicate with the other side people with the help of ICT tools. That is, the research provides educators with valuable information about how students learn best so they can be more effective teachers. It also helps us to develop new methods and tools and techniques for teaching and allows educators to explore different topics, different ideas, different implementation, different project-based implementation in more detail. In what ways can research enhance pedagogy? Yes, pedagogy research allows educators to examine their own practice, reflect on success and challenges, and share experience, so other can learn from this, improving education more widely. So research always says that search for new things, search for new knowledge, and get unsolved and solve unsolved problems. Those are high hanging fruits. You can call it as a high hanging fruits. Those are the unsolved problems. Call it as issues, challenges, okay, of any research. So what is pedagogy method of teaching? See, pedagogy refers to the way of teaching students, whether it is you are explaining theory or you are doing practice of educating. So it is a relationship between the culture and the techniques of learning. And the main aim of pedagogy is to build on previous learning of the students and work on the development of skills and attitudes of the learners. How easily a student can understand our concept, whether you are applying your own ICT tool in order to make them participatory activities. Then what are the three components of pedagogy? See, from this point of view, pedagogy is nothing but instructional design, has three basic components such as curriculum. How best you are preparing curriculum, it meets industry needs. See, nowadays in especially in computer science engineering. In first year itself, we are introducing Python. So Python is very easily students can understand if they know basic mathematics. Even non CSC IT faculty also can learn Python very easily. If you know mathematics, you can easily learn Python programming. So according to the industry needs, we are developing curriculum, the content of what it is being taught. Then methodology, the way in which teaching is done, which methodology are you using, and the techniques for socializing children in the the portrait of cognitive learning and effective skills required for successful functioning in society. You are giving good habituation and good culture by using various ICT tools and make them participatory learning activities and in order to develop outcome based education. And what are the components of pedagogical emergent literacy? If you see, the first one, enduring understanding. What is the meaning of enduring understanding? The way we are using pedagogical ICT tools, ways to enter into book sharing routines with primary and caregivers, and getting the idea that a picture in a book is a symbol for the real object. See, if you show diagram, students can immediately be attentive because something is there, something they are finding in the diagram. So what are the software components, what are the hardware components, how connections among between software and hardware, that shows the architecture of the application. So listen to stories, building attention span, etc. That is called enduring understanding. Important to know and do. That is, so pretend to read books, play with language, rhyming, label objects in books, comment on characters in books, etc. That is called important to know and do. Then worth being familiar with help of specific books, able to recognize them by cover, ways that books are handled, scribbling, difference between drawing and writing. These all are olden days pedagogical emergent literacy. If you see, what are the four principles of pedagogy? So there are, the key pedagogical principles focused on teaching learning arrangements and methods. That is first principle, relationship to pupils and learning environment, and general educational principles and expected skills and attitudes. This is These are the four principles of pedagogy. It has four principles like unity, interest, experience, and integration. So we are using various pedagogical methodologies and activities and principles. So it shows interest, how effectively we can use these methodologies in order to develop and in order to make effective teaching learning process. Pragmatic teachers use active project-based learning strategies and tools and techniques in the classroom environment and focus on topics relevant to students' life. That means if you are using project-based learning, you are giving the problem and you are make them doing literature survey, then they are finding the requirements and tools and techniques, data collections, then that
మీకు వస్తుందా వాయిస్ సౌండ్ వస్తుందా?
Sir, hello.
Madam.
Hello.
Madam, my screen is visible now. Hello. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, madam. Because power
Yes, sir.
gone.
It is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry for disturbance. If you see this prevention of principles of how the learner learns very easily. These are the 5 steps involved in this pedagogy in education and learning. Then how our IC planned already, that refers to the various technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. That is called ICT tools used in teaching and learning process. The lead advantage, like olden days we used to have a blackboard and Google Class. Nowadays we are using Google Classroom, Trello, Microsoft Teams, online coding websites such as DataCamp, HackerRank, Code. These are the ICT tools used in teaching and learning process nowadays. If you see ICT tools in schools, ICT tools in secondary classroom. So Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentations we are using, and interactive whiteboards we are using, e-books, e-learning content we are using, the internet we are using, and visualizer. Jazzy reality and software specific online applications or online activities. Here.
Hello.
Power supply problem is there, madam. That is the reason. Hello, madam. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Madam, my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. But getting some disturbance, sir.
Hello, madam.
Sir, we are getting some disturbance, sir. It's not clear,
Yes,
sir.
madam.
It is audible, but
Because
not
of-
clear, sir.
Yes, madam. So my voice is audible right now.
Yes, sir. Now it's
Hello,
okay.
sir. Please respond. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we are using various ICT tools like multimedia resources and as well as virtual teaching platforms, educational robots. See, if you open any website, in the right side, you are getting one chat box. So we are using various virtual teaching platforms, educational robots, games console, interactive tablets, interactive whiteboards, And these are the various ICT tools used for learning in the classroom environment. One second. Hello, madam. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Madam,
Sir.
my voice is audible.
Yes, sir. No
One
issues.
second. We are using in order to make them more effective teaching and learning process. So content, you are developing content master and expertise
Sir.
and pedagogy.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Please
So,
share your
madam,
screen, sir.
yeah, 1 second, madam. Maybe, yes, sorry. Madam, my screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. Okay. So conceptual framework of effective teaching, we are using content mastery and expertise, and we are using pedagogical knowledge, interact with the teaching competence, you can call it as a teaching competence traits, then personality based dispositions. These are the 4 skills we are using. That is, in order to make effective teaching, we are using conceptual framework of effective teaching. Then research on effective teaching strategies. These are the various effective teaching strategies like cooperative output activities, effective questioning strategies. See, while entering into the classroom as a faculty, you are asking the basic question first. What is computer? How do you use this computer in order to make your presentation? These are the effective questioning strategies we are following in the classroom environment. Then PBL teaching mode and multimedia, I mean multiple evaluation methods, and teaching students in accordance with their aptitude. These are the various effective teaching strategies. If you see innovative pedagogies for powerful learning, compilation of innovative pedagogies. What are the innovative pedagogies are presented? See here. So blended learning, I have explained already, blended learning is nothing but active content attainment and interactive application. That is called a flipped classroom. See, flipped classroom is nothing but I am explaining through presentation. You are recording this video. After 1 week, again you are visualizing that video. And I am asking the questions and I am giving the assignment. So you are preparing answers for that questions and project you are submitting. That is called a flipped classroom. That comes under blended learning. Blended learning is one of the innovative pedagogy. Then gamification. Gamification is one of the pedagogy approach. Playing. So games based learning, learning through storytelling. Yes, that is called a gamification. See, if you take a linked list concept in data structures, how do I can implement a single linked list and double linked list and circular linked list? By using gamification. Conduct game The first node is connected to the last node. The last node is connected to the first node. So in order to implement a linked list concept, you can use gamification pedagogy approach. Then multi or critical literacies. Okay, linguistic diversity and questioning, discussion competencies, and overt instructions. If you see embedded learning, that is called body, emotions, and creativity. We are using arts-based learning, better movers and thinkers, makers, cultures, that comes under embodied learning. Then experiential learning, inquiry in a complex world. First, we are inquiring about mobile, then you are checking in the website or e-commerce website, or you are see, there are various experiential learning methods are there, like project-based learning, service-based learning, uncertainty competencies. These are the various innovative pedagogies, computational thinking by using ICTs and digital literacy, algorithm thinking, coding, etc. That is called computational thinking. If you see the model of teaching technical pedagogy, in this technical pedagogy, we are using various input strategies. See, like curriculum development with latest perspective included, and demands from work life, educating educators, learning environments, equipment introduction, technical upgrading, and demand from technical evolution. By using various tools and techniques, we are giving as input to the technical pedagogy by interaction with like teachers, students, R&D, and collaboration partners. Finally, we are getting the output like technical understanding of machines, process, materials very easily. Then traditional expertise, we are getting output as ability to adapt oneself, do different applications, research, know how do we solve problem solving capacity. Then we are getting output like digital expertise, intelligence in machines and systems, networking and communications, concern to other manufacturing systems. And we are getting the output like developers, creating new ways to use, various modern technologies, developing existing technologies, making innovations, and identifiers or identifiers like recognizing the possibilities to use various modern technological pedagogy, encouraging to implement in product development and production to increase the production. We are using these days in technical pedagogy, especially in industry orientation. If we see teaching strategies in new curriculum for effective teaching learning, we are using direct instruction, that is called one pedagogy, classroom discussion, that is one more pedagogy, small group work, it is one more pedagogy, cooperative learning, problem solving, student research, performance activities. These all are teaching strategies. You can call it as new pedagogy strategies, effective teaching strategies in order to make effective teaching learning process to get the outcome based education. Then if you see the ICT in research, we are using 8 ICT tools such as referencing tools, data designing tools, MS Office tools, database tools, data storage tools, data mining tools, programming tools, web technology tools. Now I would like to explain referencing tools. So now you are a very good researcher. How many referencing tools we are using to cite your citations in the manuscript or research article? There are various free and commercialized referencing tools are there. Referencing tools are available in order to make best research paper, best citations in the research article. we are using various referencing ICT tools. You can call it as EndNote, Mendeley, Jotero, BibMe, Citation Machine, Citavi, CiteFast, SiteLighter, Dossier, and Recipes for Success and Word2Bib. These are the various referencing tools I'm using in order to make best research article. Then if you see these are the research referencing tools I have explained already. CiteFast, Jotero, EndNote, Mendeley. So I know practicals how to use Mendeley software. So if anybody would like to want to utilize Mendeley software referencing tool, I'm going to guide you within 5 minutes how effectively I can make citations in a thesis or a article, research article. Then next one is data designing tools. So what are the data designing tools? In order to build complex data models, we are using visual paradigm tool, ERD tools, then Vertabilo, Lucid chart, and rational rows. Usually we are using for UML diagrams, unified modeling language diagrams, in order to develop class diagrams, okay, and use case diagram, sequence diagram, various diagrams. Then SQL Server Database Modeler, design for databases, Erwin Data Modeler, Aqua Data Studio ER Modeler, Database Wrench. These are the data designing tools. If you see, these are the designing tools we are using for research design, in order to make effective research of your thesis or research article. See, these are the top 10 research tools who are using in the worldwide. What are the tools, ICT tools we are using in the worldwide? Topmost ICT tools, you can call it as Google Scholar Citation. See, 47%. So 155 count. Then EndNote, Jotero, Mendeley, Google Plus, Referencing Works, BibTeX, Papers, Reference Manager, EasyBib. I don't use any ICT tools like that. 19% of people are there in the worldwide. Just this is a reference. Then MS Office tools, I think everybody knows, no need to explain. Microsoft Office, it is a package. It consists of Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Link, Outlook, SharePoint, OneNote. These are the various MS Office tools are available. So these are the MS Office tools. Then fourth one is database tools, like the best database management tools. If you want to use SolarWinds Database Performance Analyzer, Database Visualizer, Manage Engine Application Manager, Oracle RDBMS, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, SAP Sybase ASE, Teradata, etc. These are the database tools. These are the various database tools we are using in order to make effective teaching and learning process. Then data storage tools are also available. How do you can store huge volume of data with the help of a data center, with the help of servers. Okay, so data storage tools we are using Hadoop. It is a framework. In order to process huge volume of data, we are using Hadoop. There are two major components in Hadoop, HDFS and MapReduce, Hadoop Distributed File System and Framework. Then Microsoft HD Insight, NoSQL, that is called Mongo database. Hive, it is a data warehousing tool. Scoop, it is a SQL based tool. Polybase, Big Data in Excel, Presto. These are the various tools we are using in data storage tools. These are the data storage tools are available. Then data mining tool, I think everybody knows. The process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data. By using, we can analyze our data with the help of data mining tools like Veka, RapidMiner, Oracle Data Mining Tool, IBM SPSS, SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Science. 9, Python, Orange, Kaggle, Rattle, Teradata. These are the data mining tools. These are the data mining tools are available. Then see the programming tools. In order to make your project or thesis effective, we are using programming tools like Emacs, Eclipse, gedit, Bluefish, Write, Vim, GitHub, Subversion, and CVS, concurrent version system. These are the various programming tools and utilizes for research. These are the various programming tools and utilizes for research, especially for programming tools and commercial and open platforms, language and programming platforms. See, languages are programming Java, Python, MATLAB, etc. Big data programming tools like Hadoop, Cloudera, Spark, Mahout Cloud, etc. And commercial and open platforms like RapidMiner, Orange, SPSS, IBM tool, Weka, Nime, etc. Then last one, web technology tools. In order to develop various web-based applications or call center application or business applications, we are using various web technology tools like Java, Python, JavaScript, Sublime Text, Chrome developer tools, jQuery, GitHub, Twitter, Bootstrap, AngularJS, SAS, syntactically awareness, style sheets. Then these are the various web development tools we are using. And ICT can be used in any subject. You can use not only for natural science, not only for mathematics, not only for social science. You can use for any subject. Then use in ICT in research. See, research process, skills needed by researcher, identify area of study, literature review, research methodology, analysis and results discussion, conclusion, recommendation. The way effectively you are using ICT in research. What are the applications of ICT in research? There are various applications. Okay. So applications of ICT in data analysis, we are using a statistical package for social science that is called SPSS. Then R, it is a visualization programming language. MATLAB, mathematical works. Microsoft Excel, it is a visualization tool. SAS, statistical analysis software. We are using various tools. Then components of ICT, I have explained already. Components. Then applications of ICT ideas. I can use ICT tools in vehicle tracking, routing, delivery scheduling, radio frequency, barcoding, inventory management, address systems, and freight auditing, supplier management, EDI. There are various applications of ICT ideas you can incorporate. Then on prediction versus reality in information and communication technology sector, with the help of ICT, we can develop audio-video interaction applications, audio-visual, IT software and services, and active components, passive components, building management systems, and gate barriers, and IPTV solutions, internet protocol television solutions, security CCTV, access control, fire detection and alarm systems, public address. These are the various prediction and reality in information communication technology. So these are the ICT tools help researcher in the following research related tasks. Identify appropriate information sources, we are using ICT tools. Critically analyze information, we are using ICT tools. Research effectively, we are using ICT tools. Manage information, use information to extend the communication knowledge across subject fields, like you can enter into environment, biological, electronics, computer, civil, mechanical, etc. Search up to 10 databases, electronic resources simultaneously. Link to individual database, it receives results in a common format. It links to individual databases for more specialized searching. Select favorite resources and e-journal, save searches and records, and set up email alerts. So these are the various applications of ICT, have many effects on research and classified into three categories. Applications of ICT in pre-data analysis. Yes, there are various ICT tools like pre-data analysis. Means before going to data analysis, we can do pre-data analysis with help of various ICT tools. Applications of ICT in data analysis, applications of ICT in post-data analysis. See, in data analysis, we are using Veka, RapidMiner, or visualization tools like R programming, Tableau, etc. Then post-data analysis, we are using graphs, flowchart, scorecards, visualization tools, Excel, Tableau, MATLAB, R programming we are using. Then see applications of ICT in pre-data analysis in order to do literature survey, content research, literature tracking, data collection. We are doing pre-data analysis with help of ICT tools. Then ICT in data analysis, quantitative data analysis, qualitative data analysis. Quantitative data analysis is the size of the data. What is the size of the data we are analyzing? Whether it is megabytes, terabytes, gigabytes, like. Applications of ICT in post-data analysis for references and bibliography, articles and thesis, plagiarism, journal manuscripts and submission. So ICT and data analysis, we are using level 1, information gathering, data collection. Level 2, we are using data synthesis and analysis, inferences and interpretations. Then level 3, documentation of results and decimation of findings. So in this ICT, I have see ICT developed by and who proposed ICT? Zuppo in the year 2012. He has given a beautiful definition. ICT digital toolkit. See here, Google account. We are having various ICT multimedia browsers. We are having and online curators such as various tools and various social networks. These are the digital toolkits. So ICT definition I have explained already. ICT refers to the latest technologies that provides access to information through telecommunications. Okay, ICT refers to creating digital information. ICT refers to storing digital information. ICT refers to retrieving digital information like banking data. See, we are getting after withdrawal amount, we are getting digital information. So ICT refers to the manipulating data. Then ICT refers to sending digital information. ICT refers to receiving digital information. So ICT today we are using cell phone application. We are sending SMS, short message. Then digital cameras, internet, wireless, Wi-Fi. You know Wi-Fi expansion, wireless fidelity, and WiMAN, GPS, global positioning system, geographical information system, digital radio, applications on demand. These are the ICT today. And this ICT via technology, we are collecting the data, collating the data, conveying the data. That is the purpose of ICT. This is a mind map of ICT. You can call it as mind map, ICT for educational assessment. Everything we have incorporated in this image. This image is called mind map of ICT for educational assessment. So then ICT input source we are using like visualizer, document, camera, personal computer, slate or tablet, application software, student response system, output source like projector, monitor, printer, interactive whiteboard, display monitor, TV, etc. Other ICT tools like digital camera, switcher, digital recorder. Now we are doing the recording option in Google, other technologies, etc. So what is the ICT objective? There are three objectives of ICT, information and communication technology. To know the applications of ICT in education. Yes. How effectively we are using this ICT tools in order to make effective teaching, learning process in order to get the outcome based education, more employability and more skills. That is first objective. Second objective is to find and describe the issues and challenges in integration of ICT in teaching and learning process. And third one is to find the best ways of solutions for face the challenges and issues. These are the three objectives. Then see the components of ICT I have explained: people, data, procedures, software and hardware, information, etc. And this ICT refers to technologies that provides access to information through telecommunications. There are various ICT tools we are using, like internet, wireless. See, telecommunication is nothing but we are using internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communication medias. Okay, and see the ICT components we have seen already. So through telecommunication channels like local area network, wireless area network, broadcasting, structured cabling, and private mobile radio, internet protocol telephony, audio visual, giant screen, etc. So these are the components: information communication technology. There are various categories. Written, we can see the print media, newspapers like Enadu, curricular letter, and leaflet, bulletin, pamphlets. These are the written. Then audio ICT tools like radio, telephone, TV, etc. And visualization like picture, TV, exhibition, etc. Audio visuals like films, television, video. And new ICT tools like computer, internet, VC, tablet, kiosk, any electronic gadgets with incorporated with any software. Combination of hardware and software in a product is called embedded system. That is called one of the kiosk, okay, application. Then this ICT can be used connecting with the world, possibilities in education, interacting with ICT, and connecting with each other, and reaching out and bridging divides, and creating with the ICT. And see the why do we need a new ICT strategy? Because in order to make effective teaching learning process, more participatory activities, in order to get more output, more outcome based education with more employability by using new technologies, economic climate, environmental responsibility, etc. And this is ICT ecosystem. We are using, see, starts with standardization, global trade. We are using networked elements. Then we are using converged networks like regulation, financial market related converged networks in layer 2. In layer 3, we are using continuation and application providers, various ICT communication social network tools like YouTube, Yahoo, Google, Windows Live, etc. And this ICT education I have already explained. ICT advantages. See, what are the information and communication technology advantages? Processing the data very easily with help of ICT tools. Repetitive data we can remove. Data storage capacity we can use with the help of ICT tools. Searching for new digital data, data communication, and get the output. These are the various advantages. Then ICT tools, there are traditional tools and modernization tools. Modernization tools like computers, laptops, servers, monitors, printers, audio visual tools, and software and network equipment, various printers, cartridge, etc. These are the various ICT tools. ICT tools and resources for schools, teachers, and educators. See, we are doing many activities like a screen capturing that. We are screen capturing of a lecture or video, online training with help of ICT tools we are doing, wiki, e-learning, note taking, student toolbox, bookmarking, virtual worlds, research tools, feature tools, gamification tools. See, in this pandemic, all students are addicted for gamification tools like PUBG and various games, and mobile learning, language learning tools, charts and mind maps, documents, educational video channels, digital publishing, online classroom, reading and literature, response systems, educational games, and content management system, learning management system, mobile and tablet application, collaboration, etc. These are the teaching ICT tools like overhead projector. In olden days, we used to have a blackboard and overhead projector, then projector screen. Nowadays, we are using LCD projector, projector screen. Then importance of ICT in order to develop curriculum update, we are using in ICT in various subjects. 6 reasons to use ICT in education. 6 reasons: curriculum update, continuous learning, productivity, personal of the group, communication in cyberspace, and you can call it as a didactic resource, okay, methodological innovation. These are the 6 reasons of use ICT when ICT add value to society and in education especially. Then a type of ICT tools available. So synchronous tools like video conferencing, Google Hangout, Skype, audio conferencing, online messengers, live streaming audio video. Then 5 most popular uses of ICT today: computer gaming, social networking, cloud computing, robotics, e-commerce. E-commerce is best examples, Amazon, Flipkart. Through ICT tools, through apps, we are connecting to those e-commerce website and we are booking online gadgets or electronics. So reasons for not using ICT tools for policy making. Some cases, ICT tools not useful for own activity, lack of skills for using ICT tools for policy making, lack of resources for acquiring ICT tools for policy making, lack of information about ICT tools for policy making. These are the reasons for not using ICT tools for policy making. Some cases. Applications: LCD classroom, screencasting, webinars, blended learning, virtual classroom, e-learning classroom, Moodle cloud. So now I'm going to demonstrate Canvas and Moodle cloud. I think all of you know Canvas and Moodle cloud. So this is a best example for LCD classroom, liquid crystal display, LCD classroom. Then LED classroom, light emitting diode classroom. Then blended learning, I have explained. What is the meaning of blended learning? See, through this Google Meet, I am explaining the concept. I am giving the assignment to you. You are submitting that assignment through this again ICT tool. That is called blended learning. Teacher-led learning and online learning, combining the best teaching methods in this blended learning by using various ICT tools. Screencasting, we can record your video, audio, text, graphics, animation, etc. That is called screencasting tools, or ICT tools are available. Various screencasting tools are available. Virtual classroom, see, I am connected through virtual with the help of Google Meet. That is called a virtual classroom. This is e-learning, electronic learning classroom. And impact of ICT, see, legal issues, social issues, environmental issues, ethical issues. These are the impacts of ICT and issues in the use of ICT in education. See how effectively you are using. The following are four broad intertwined issues which must be addressed when considering the overall impact of the use of ICTs in education. So sometimes it may be a costly, sometimes it is equity, sustainability, and effectiveness. And these are the ICT challenges. Few challenges already solved, like digital gap, accessibility, personalized information, proper utilization for curricular integration, for pedagogical integration, and spatial integration. These are the challenges for ICT. And expand small quiz type. ICT stands for Information Communication Technology. Who proposed ICT? JUPO in the year 2012. What are major components of ICT? So people, data, software, and hardware. What is the prerequisite of ICT? IT, information technology. So which of the following is the appropriate definition of information technology? See, that is the definition of IT, information technology. I am giving my own definition. Information is a process of data. Technology means application of science. It refers to the use of hardware and software for storing of the data, retrieval of the data, processing the data, and distributing information of many kinds of data. Which of the following statement is correct? See, virus is a part of software. Remaining, virus is an operating system. Internet does not allow the virus to spread. Virus improves the spread of processing information through computer. So which one of the following, this is a type of viruses? I think everybody knows. White hat is a virus. Expand virus, vital information resource under siege. What effect can adware have on your system? See, bad computer performance. What does the malware to do your computer? These are the some bits related to, I'm skipping this one. Yeah. Now I am going to demonstrate practical session. Madam, how much time is there?
Sir, we have up to 12:30, sir, we have time.
Okay, madam. Now, any queries from the audience, madam? Please let them ask. So far, I have explained the theory part of pedagogy and ICT tools. Please invite them any queries. So my dear faculty members, my dear participants, please ask me any queries related to pedagogy and ICT tools. Any queries?
Faculty, if you have any queries, please ask the
Please,
sir.
at least if you are not able to ask, please type a question in the chat box. Please read, madam. If anyone if anyone gives query in the chat box, let them ask. Hello, sir.
Sir,
Hello, madam. No queries? They are understanding my lecture, madam. Please ask them.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are understood, sir. Sir, it's better to start practical session, sir. After that, if we have any doubts, we can ask, sir.
Yeah, sure, madam. So now I am using Canvas. Canvas is one of the ICT tool. It is a modern tool in order to increase enhancing the teaching learning process skills, effective utilization of online conduction of exams, online conferencing meetings, online assessment. Everything is online with the help of Canvas LMS tool. LMS means Learning Management System, ICT, Information and Communication Technology tools. So today I would like to explain what is Canvas Learning Management System, what is Canvas LMS, Canvas LMS benefits, overview of Canvas LMS features, what problems will Canvas LMS solve, and user satisfaction, video of Canvas, technical details, support details, user reviews, what are the limitations of Canvas. Okay, Canvas is a learning management system ICT tool. And before going to Canvas ICT tools, I would like to remind what is FAS. So FAS is nothing but free open source software. It allows users to programmers to edit or modify their data, edit their data, or reuse the data. The software source code, that is called FAS. See, Linux is a open source operating system. That means you can add your own patch to the Linux operating system. This gives developers the opportunity to improve program functionality by modifying it. Even Hadoop, Spark, and Nextcloud, HPage, Java, Weka, Canvas. Now Canvas only 50% they have given trial version. Then 50% they have made it commercialization in order to utilize more features. Okay, so Canvas is one of the FAST tool. FAST is nothing but open source. Don't say answer for open source freely downloadable. That is a general and Balakrishna dialogue, you can call it as. Say, being a computer science faculty, you say we can edit the code, we can edit the anything, and we can incorporate into existing code. That is called open source. And the top open source tools like LMS tools, especially Moodle. So without a doubt, Moodle is one of the most popular open source LMS options available today. And like eTutor and Academy, Pharma LMS, and DocOS, Ilias, Opigno, Open OLAT. These are the various learning management system tools, Moodle softwares, you can call it as. Then open source softwares, these all are open source software. See here, Android, PHP, Python, Drupal, MongoDB, Moodle, etc. Canvas is a LMS ICT tool. So the creator of Canvas was founded in 2008 by two graduate students from Brigham Young University, that is called Brian Whitmer and Devlin Daly. These are the two graduate students developed this Canvas LMS tool in the year 2008, but now it is infrastructure, means there is a very big data center is available for Canvas LMS, because we are storing all audio, video lectures in that Canvas LMS tool. Instructure is an educational technology company based in Salt Lake City, Utah. It is the developer and publisher of Canvas, a web-based learning management system, and Canvas network. It is called a massive open online course, that is called MOOC platform. Canvas LMS from Instructure is a cloud-based learning management system. Why it is called cloud-based learning system? Because somewhere else, somewhere in US, we are accessing 24/7 service with internet. Without internet, you cannot access. It is internet-based technology. So that's why Canvas is a cloud-based learning management system, specifically designed for a K-5 higher education institution, especially for engineering and medical. So Canvas LMS Education, it is an online open source learning platform that allows teachers and students to share content and interact throughout a course. Canvas is a course management system that supports online learning and teaching. Canvas allows professors to post grades, information, and assignments through online. And what are the activities we can perform? Upload and accessing of lesson plan, lecture videos, and slides, course material, referencing books and web links. Then students course registration we can do, announcements about course activities schedule, then conduction of diagnostic test and formative test with different form of questions such as multiple choices, fill in the blanks, true or false, short and essay answers, missing words, match the following, etc. Creation of course with the prerequisite course description, objectives, outcomes and syllabus, and the diagnostic and formative questions and options can be shuffled. We can do all these sort of activities through Canvas, LMS ICT tool. Then monitoring of each question attempted by the student in the form of IP address, time duration, etc. for security purpose, internet protocol address and time duration, etc. Submission of assignments and mini projects and self-learning topics also we can give with help of LMS tool. Discussion forum for clarification of doubts. There is a discussion forum in LMS learning tool. Students can access faculty video lecture of the course through online. Then monitoring the frequency of accessing the course by the students. Generation of mark reports for diagnostic and formative test. These are the activities we can conduct with the help of Canvas learning management system. So that's why Canvas is a course management system, CMS, that supports online learning and teaching. It allows professors to post grades, information and assignments online. Becoming familiar with Canvas environment and its tools, the first step in succeeding in your online course. So by using this Canvas tool, so it is a modern open source LMS developed and maintained by Instructure Incorporation right now. So Canvas LMS is considered to be the fastest growing LMS today. This open source LMS by Instructure helps you scale your best curriculum and instruction with easy to use and customizable teaching and learning experience. Instructure is a technology company committed to improving education. Instructure offers Canvas, the open, easy to use, cloud native learning management system, as well as Canvas network, an index of open source, online courses by educators anywhere, anytime, 24/7. That's why it is called a cloud-based platform Instructure tool. So overview of Canvas LMS benefits. So comprehensive with the no limit integration, curate learning pathways means how long, what is the duration of, you want to run 6 months duration for semester, then reliable connectivity. These are the benefits of Canvas LMS tool. Then overview of Canvas LMS features. What are the features are available? Why it is so popular? So there is collaborative workspace is there. Integrated learning materials we can incorporate. Copy and paste links from a web browser. That facility is available in a Canvas LMS. Customized content we can do our own style. We can prepare our own PPT, lecture slides, etc. Open API means application programming interface. Some libraries are presented. Integrated tools. You can integrate with your own ICT tools. Shared resources facility is available. With the conferencing tools facilities available, you can conduct online conferencing. Canvas App Center is available. Graphics analytics reporting engine is there. How many students attended? You can see the graph. And integrated media reporting is there. You can upload your own videos into this Canvas Instructure. cloud-based material also you can use with the help of this Canvas LMS features. Recording, uploading of audio, video, text, graphics, animated applications. Web standard browsers are available in this Canvas LMS, and the LTI integration is presented. Customizable user profiles also you can create. I'll show you how to create a profile and student profiles, etc. And audio, video messages easily we can interact with the Canvas LMS. RSS support, analytics we can generate with help of Canvas LMS tool. Per semester you are using Canvas tool, you can see how many students attended, how many students passed, how many students failed, how many students submitted assignment, everything analytics we can generate. Course notifications we can generate. Mobile integration, you can add your own mobile number to the Canvas LMS. Automatically you can set the alarms, notifications, and open security. These are the various features of Canvas. This is the URL see, this is the way you can use. See, I'm going to connect right now. See, I'm connecting to the LMS login. If you have a system, please open all of you. I'll show you if you are having a system, please open this URL. Like www. If you are having system, please open. You can create simultaneously your user profile, and I'll show you demonstration so that you can implement this ICT tool for your students. So now, like this, you can create. Now I have already created, and I'm using since 2016 this Canvas tool. When I was working in Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College as a professor. So by that time, I'm the research coordinator in the laboratory. I use this Canvas tool. So here you can do login. See, there is a login to your account as a teacher. Teacher account is there. If you have free account, okay, you can use free account. So with your email ID, you can create. Madam, my screen is visible. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
And audio also, it is good.
Clear, sir. No issue.
Yeah, yes, madam. So far, I have created 5 courses. See here, I have created for cloud computing course and data structures and IUCE. They have conducted one course, design thinking, one more course, and one more course related. It is a template. So far I have created 5 published courses available. If you go to see here left side, if you see the dashboard, you will get how many courses you have created and published courses. Like you can publish the course, and right side you can see to do, grade form, teams, initial feedback, grade assignment, and grade stakeholders, grade business model canvas, grade prototype. Then if you see the left side account, who's this account? Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You can create notifications, profile, file, settings, e-portfolio, shared content, and QR for mobile logins, quick response. QR is nothing but quick response for mobile login, global announcements, etc. Then you can see the courses, left side, cloud computing, data structures, entrepreneurship, design thinking, etc. Unpublished courses. In between I stopped. I left from the Vidyaniketan. So that time unpublished course. This one, all courses you can see. Then calendar. You can use calendar. You can make announcements and conference meetings, everything you can do with this calendar. And inbox, if you use inbox, student can directly send materials and any queries if they would like to ask. Then history and comments, I mean comments, what are the features, what are the remaining features are available, and how to use. See, we can incorporate with various commons, like you can incorporate with your own website, your own YouTube channel also. You can incorporate with this one, like various things we can do in this Canvas LMS tool. Okay, so if you open cloud computing, any one course, you can create, see madam, here you can create announcements, assignments, discussion, grades, people, pages, files, syllabus. If you see the syllabus unit wise, you will get it here. See here, I have integrated my own syllabus in this one, 4th BTech 4th semester cloud computing syllabus. Okay, and outcomes, if you want to write any outcomes of that course, objectives, you can write how many files you have uploaded. See how many files, if you want to drag and drop here. Okay, so this is chat box is coming actually. So here drop and you can drop the file, you can download and you can utilize. Okay, and grades, if you want to see the grades of the students once completion of see they have removed long back I have used this one, February 2020 they have removed complete my data when I left from that college account. So these are the things we can do. Many things in this. We'll check one more. See here, all the contents, even settings. Okay, and number of students, people. You can see the number of students. How many students are there? See, I have created 18 batch student, their name, login ID.
Sir, you are not audible, I think. The audio is struck, sir.
Madam, one second. Sorry for disturbance. Some heavy rains. Due to heavy rains, sometimes internet is. Madam, how much time is there?
Sir, we have 5 minutes time, sir.
Yeah. Please, I'll wind up, madam. Please see here. These are the screenshots of dashboard of my own account. You can also create. I am sharing this PPT to you, coordinator, madam. She will forward to all of you so that you can do your own course structure in this one Canvas LMS tool. So this is a dashboard. These are the course module 1, module 2, like unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 you can create. This is the Canvas homepage, announcements, assignments, everything I have explained. You can do announcement like this. You can create your own page and send to all the students. Then you can do assignments like this. Assignment module final assignment you can submit and let them do their own quiz in the online and discussion. If you want to do discussion, you can use discussion forum. This is grades. See how many students got a 10 out of 5, 6.8, 8, 5, 7 like that. These are the students, number of students we can create, and pages, how many pages you have created for notification, how many files you have uploaded, how many assignments you have uploaded, how many lecture videos you have uploaded. This is a syllabus and this is a quiz. You can also create, there is a template. You can create your own quiz, 10 marks bits. For multiple choice questions also you can prepare, and modules you can create syllabus, then conference you can conduct, and current collaboration, start a new collaboration we can do. And what are the problems in Canvas? I think this is 2020. Now this problem solved. Need for full-fledged LMS solution, like can't access timely data gathering. Now these problems are solved. One-dimensional learning limitation, and these are the technical details. Devices supported, languages supported, and pricing model also available. Customer types. See, devices supported. Windows operating system supports Linux, Android, iPhone, Mac, web-based, Windows Mobile. Deployment, cloud hosted. What are the languages supported? See, there is no Telugu here. Remaining all languages are there. English, Chinese, German, all global languages. Spanish, French, Russian, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, Polish, Turkish, Swedish. So pricing model, customer types. Okay. So with this one, I'm closing theory part and as well as practical. You can register your own style. And so far I have conducted various webinars and symposiums. This is at Thailand I have conducted, and this is at Singapore, this is at Philippines, this is at keynote speaker at Geetham, this is at resource person at MITS Madanapalli, this is at resource person at Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College, this is jury member at one of the conference, this is keynote speaker at Seetham, SITM, this is PhD degree from JNT Anantapur, this is Bharat Vidya Ratan Award from Delhi, from Global Business, and this is the best ITAP teacher award from ITAP Tutors Pride at Hyderabad 2020. This is best local chapter award from IIT Madras, and this is an international seminar speaker, and this is one of the resource person. This is ISER Tirupati, Indian Institute of Science Education Research Tirupati, as a resource person, practical on big data applications using Spark and PySpark. Then this is Sangam University. This is ABS College at Ghaziabad, Jaya Engineering College, Tamil Nadu, Maharshi Markandeya University. This is at Bluecrest University, Data Science. This is at Oman, Big Data Analytics using Spark. This is at Bluecrest University. This is at Russia. One of the application I have demonstrated, COVID-19 strain virus detection using machine learning and deep learning techniques. This is at Big Data Symposium at Bluecrest. This is at Ural Federal University abroad. And this is at Data Science Application Hands-on. This is Bhartiyar University. This is Lord's Institute of Hyderabad. This is at Data Science using R programming at Bluecrest. This is Reva University, Bangalore. This is at Karpaga Vinayaka College of Engineering and Technology. This is Vijnana Bharati, Hyderabad. This is at West Africa. 49 countries participated in this Blue Crest Research Conclave I have conducted and a resource person. This is Krishna University. This is KL University. This is Chadalavada Ramanamma Engineering College. This is Anna Sarai College of Engineering. This is Chalapati Engineering College, Annamacharya Engineering College, Cyber Security Application using Python, Cyber Security using Python at Blue Crest, Maharshi Markandeya Engineering College, Mobile Application Development using Python, VET Institute of, this is at Bangalore, one of the university. This is at Saudi Arabia, and this is at VET Institute. This is one of the Maharashtra Engineering College. This is at SSN Engineering College, Chennai. This is at Maharshi Markandeya. This is at SKC Bansal Group of Engineering Colleges. This is Ravindra Engineering College, Kurnool. This is Vikrant Engineering College at Gwalior. This is at Sairam Engineering College, Chennai. This is Cyber Security in Blue Crest, Mahendra Engineering College at Chennai, Bansal Group of Engineering College, and this is at Research India Foundation, acted as a resource person. This is at JNTU Kakinada, one of the resource person. This is MIT, Punjab. This is Ratnam Engineering College, Coimbatore. This is Srinidhi Engineering College, Hyderabad. This is one of the college at Vagaman at Kerala. And this is International Workshop at MVGR Visakhapatnam. This is Aditya College of Engineering, Madanapalli. This is at Sri Sairam Engineering College. This is at Blue Crest with the help of Research India Foundation. This is at one of the college at Haryana, and this is at Research India Foundation, Linguistics Data Analytics. This is at one of the college. This is at KSRM Engineering College recently. Now still today also that program is ongoing. I have developed AR/VR application using Python. So this is your college, SRIT. Thank you, madam, for giving this wonderful opportunity. So this is my YouTube channel. If you are having laptop and mobile, please subscribe my channel, and any queries, please ask me now. Hello, madam.
Sir.
Yeah, please, madam. Let them ask any queries, madam.
Sir, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask sir. Sir will clarify it. Sir.
Hello,
Sir.
Madam.
So this is Naveen,
Sir,
mathematics.
I have
Yeah,
one
please.
small doubt, sir.
Yes, madam, please.
In what way Canvas is different from Google Classroom, sir?
See, in Canvas, almost all similar, but a few features are different. Like we can add our own Google. We can add our own pages. That is one of the feature available in Canvas infrastructure. I mean, in structure, it is not available in Google. I think almost all, madam, 99% almost all similar. There is no much difference between Canvas infrastructure and Google Classroom. But a few features are different from Canvas, and few features are different in Google Classroom. But I haven't used Google Classroom, so I may not be giving a correct answer for this question. I have used only Canvas LMS tool.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more queries related to LMS, pedagogy, ICT tools? My dear friends. Yeah, please.
Sir, I am mathematics faculty, sir. So
Yeah,
the
please.
pandemic, we used to teach mathematics by using digital pads. Sometimes we are using slides, PPT, and PDF files, sir. So
Yes, sir.
instead of that, if I ask my students, they will satisfy with the blackboard only, sir. So, any more tools, ICT tools I have for teaching mathematics?
Yeah, very good question, sir. You can incorporate with your own ICT tool called latex tool for such a typical equations drawing. You can draw over in latex tool. That visual you can take as a slide and you can incorporate in the presentation. Then you can demonstrate. That is one of the option, but in some cases blackboard is better understanding of tough equations for creation. Yeah, very good question. You can integrate with there are some equation writing free ICT tools are available. You search in the Google, you will get it, or you can use latex tool for drawing tough equations and draw the equation and show to through visualization. Very good question, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other queries? Please subscribe my channel. If you are having mobile phone, please open. If you are having laptop, please open in the YouTube. Go to YouTube. Just type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You will get a channel. Please subscribe now. I'm expecting from you. Subscribe whenever you can find the time, and you can listen my various lecture videos are there, and various topics like data science application, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data applications, deep learning techniques, various technologies. I have incorporated all videos into my channel. Recently I have created, last 2 months back only I have created. I am integrating and incorporating all that videos into my channel. Please subscribe, my dear friends, my dear faculty members. If you are having mobile, please open mobile, go to YouTube, type my name, please subscribe. This is my request. And any doubts, please ask me. Only 10 to 15 faculty registered, subscribed now. Please, remaining faculty also, please do subscribe now. I'm getting notifications who are subscribing, and you can listen your own videos, and any doubts you can contact. Madam will share you regarding your thesis, regarding your research article, and anything related to computer science related aspects. I'm going to help you. Okay, madam, please share this PPT and my details to all
Sir,
the faculty.
Srinivasulu garu, can non-computer science people also register for the channel?
Yes, sir, please. You can, all basics I have explained, sir.
Yeah,
I have
I
all,
listened to that.
yeah, all basics I have explained. Computer related IT technologies I have explained. Please subscribe, sir. Whenever you are finding time, you can listen those videos. Yeah, just take your mobile and go to YouTube channel, type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, subscribe, and later you can listen, sir. No problem. Any doubts, sir? Hello, sir. Any doubts?
Yeah, it's
Please.
a wonderful presentation.
Sir, thank you,
Because
sir.
pedagogy, we used to listen with respect to teacher learning process to a certain extent. Now
Yes, sir.
it is a different perception with ICT tools, with computers and data
Yes.
science, latest technologies for applications.
Yeah, what is your good name, sir?
Shankar here, Dean of Academics.
Oh, sir, nice feedback, and thank you for your valuable feedback, sir. Yeah. So, any other participants, any doubts related to pedagogy, ICT, and Canvas LMS? Please. Hello, my dear friends.
Hello. Hello.
Yes. Yeah, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is Ravichandra, sir, from
Yeah,
EC department.
Yeah,
Yes.
please, sir.
Sir, in our NBA, actually you have two separate components are there, sir, in second criterion and fifth criterion.
Yeah, please.
On fifth criterion, we are having innovations by the faculty in teaching and learning.
Yes, you can use a canvas in that case.
And
I'll give you
yeah, one more case, we have innovative teaching methodologies. These are the separate two components are there in two different criterion actually.
Yes, sir. Very good
Yeah, what we
question.
can able to differentiate these two, sir, actually, to get
Very
good
good
points
question,
in
sir.
MBA.
You can use and incorporate this LMS, Canvas LMS. First, you can register and create one module and successfully you can implement for students. And the same content you can produce in the NBA committee meeting, criteria 5. I have used LMS ICT tool and supporting documents also you can
Okay.
take grade sheets and students registration sheets, everything you can file it and you can show to them. And one more question, sir. What is that question? Second question.
Yeah, innovative teaching methodologies that we are going to use.
Innovative methodology teaching. You can use projector, LCD projector. I have prepared lecture slides for each chapter. Those content you can take and file it in your separate file. It is a MOOC. You can call it as a MOOC course file and as well as a pedagogy related ICT course I have implemented for my students. This is the output I have conducted successfully exams through online and that supporting documents you can show to them. Definitely that criterion be fulfilled.
Yeah, actually,
Yes,
there are another innovative teaching methodologies are there, sir, like flipped classrooms, take away and multi
blended
points.
learning. Yeah, I have explained blended learning.
Yeah.
Various. Yes, sir. Very good. Yes, sir. There are available, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any
Okay,
other
sir.
queries?
So nothing, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us on various pedagogy approaches with ICT tools. Thank you very much, sir. So, on behalf of all the faculty, I thank the management of SRIT, principal sir, vice principal sir, dean academics, and TPO sir for providing these facilities to enhance our skills in teaching and learning, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Madam, you can take one snapshot of all participants. You can show this is international workshop. You can file it with the document and you can produce in the NBA or any NAC activity.
Sure, sir.
Let them open all
Okay, sir.
camera.
I request all the faculty to turn on your video. We will take one snap on this workshop.
And you can prepare documentation for this one, madam.
Okay.
This
Okay.
that is good for your committee purpose. Okay, let them come into the online, all of you, my dear friends.
I request all the faculty to turn on your videos. Okay, thank you, one and all.
Yes, madam. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity, madam. Principal sir, dean sir, and faculty members of SRIT. Thank you, one and all. Shall I quit, madam?
Yes, sir.